Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably dreamt about escaping the 9 to 5 grind. You know, that feeling of wanting to build something for yourself, a passive income stream that really doesn't require you to trade your time for money every single day. Well, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to share with you what I believe is one of the laziest, but also the most effective way to make money online. I'm talking about a method that requires minimal upfront effort, has huge potential for long-term income, and lets you work on your own terms. My name is Narissa, and I've been navigating the world of online income for a number of years. I've seen trends come and go, tried countless strategies, and learned a lot on the way. And trust me, while there's no magic bullet, this method is about as close to hands-off as it gets, while still being incredibly powerful. Now, let's clarify what I mean by lazy. I'm not talking about doing absolutely nothing and expecting money to magically appear. What I mean is maximizing your return on investment, getting the biggest return for the least amount of ongoing work. It's about setting things up once and then, of course, letting them work for you over time. To be considered lazy in this context, the method needs to tick these boxes. So no on-camera pressure or becoming a social media influencer. No creating, managing, or shipping your own physical products or digital courses. It's a very low barrier to entry, meaning minimal upfront investment. And what is critical for long-term success is the potential for sustainable passive income that continues to flow even when you're not actively working on it. So, what's this lazy secret? It comes down to a simple but powerful combination. And that has to do with promoting high-paying affiliate products using high-leverage traffic source. Let's break it down bit by bit. First, affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with, it's essentially partnering with businesses or individuals who have products and services to sell. You promote their offerings, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. I mean, it's a win-win. They get more sales and you get paid for connecting them with customers. You don't have to worry about inventory, customer service, refunds, or any of the headaches that comes with running a traditional business. Your sole focus is on driving targeted traffic. Now, the key to making this lazy and profitable is focusing on high-paying affiliate products. We're not talking about promoting low-ticket items that earn you pennies per sale. We are talking about products and services that offer substantial commission, ideally in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars per sale. Think high-end software, premium online courses, or valuable services. With these types of products, you can earn a significant income with a smaller number of sales, making your effort much more effective. And the other essential ingredient is a high leverage traffic source. This means a platform or a method that allows you to reach a broad audience with minimal ongoing effort. It's about creating something once that continues to attract visitors and potential customers over time. And in my experience, one of the absolute best high leverage traffic source for this strategy is YouTube. Think about the power of YouTube. You create a video, upload it, optimize it, and it potentially be discovered and watched by thousands, even millions of people for years to come. Unlike social media platforms where your content has a short-term lifespan, YouTube videos can continue to generate traffic and income from months and even years. That's the power of leverage. You put in the work up front to create the video, and then it works for you passively. So, how do you put this lazy strategy into action? It's a straightforward 3-step process. Step 1 is to find your niche. This is the foundation of your entire strategy. It's crucial to choose a niche that you're genuinely interested in, or at least one that you can learn to become interested in. This makes content creation process much more enjoyable and sustainable. Start by brainstorming at least 20 things you're passionate about, hobbies you enjoy, or problems you've solved. This could be anything from gardening and cooking to gaming, personal finances, software review, just to name a few. Once you have your list, it's then time for some marketing research. You need to validate that your niche and make sure that there's actually a demand for the product and the information related to it. Are people actively searching for solutions or information for this area? Are there existing affiliate products or services to cater to this audience? Tools like Google Keyword Planner would be a great source for those searching. Even perhaps looking at related YouTube channels can give you valuable insights. Step number 2 is to find high-paying affiliate products within your chosen niche. Now that you know there's a market, it's time to find products to promote. Head over to popular affiliate marketplaces such as ClickBank, Digistore24, CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale, or even Amazon Associates. Look for products that have high ticket prices, ideally $500 or more, and offer generous commission structures. Also, consider the product's quality, reputation, and refund rate. You want to promote products that you genuinely believe in and that will provide value to your audience. Step 3, and this is where the magic of lazy content creation comes in. Create high leverage content, specifically for YouTube. You don't need expensive equipment or fancy studio, or advanced editing skills to get started. You can create simple yet effective videos using free tools like Google Slides for presentations, screen recording softwares like OBS Studio, and even free stock footage from music websites. The key is to provide genuine value to your audience. Create videos that are informative, engaging, helpful, and solve a specific problem or answer a question. This could be tutorials, product reviews, comparison videos, just to name a few. And of course, optimize your videos for YouTube searches. Use relevant keywords in your title, your description, and tags to help people find your contents. Create eye-catching thumbnails to grab attention and engage your viewers in the comment section. Now, let's talk about taking things to the next level and really maximizing your income. I'm going to give you a few bonus tips. First, prioritize affiliate products with recurring commission. These are typically, subscription-based products or services where you earn a commission, not just on the initial sale, but every month that the customer remains subscribed. This is where the true power of passive income comes in. You make the sale once, and you continue to get paid month after month. Second is to leverage technology to streamline your workflow. Use tools like text-to-speech software to create voiceover, AI video generators to create simple animated videos, and create recording software to easily capture your screen. These tools can save you a ton of time and effort. And finally, as your channel grows and your income increases, consider perhaps delegating tasks that you don't really enjoy or that's taking up too much of your time. This could include video editing, script writing, thumbnail creation, or even social media promotion. Outsourcing these tasks frees up time for you to focus on higher level aspects of your business, like strategy or content creation. Now, here's a quick recap. The laziest way to make money online, in my opinion, is by promoting high-paying affiliate products using the power of YouTube. It's a strategy that requires minimal ongoing effort, has tremendous potential for passive income, and it allows you to build a sustainable online business. Now that I have you, engaged, hopefully, if this resonates with you, I encourage you to take action today. Choose one niche that you're interested in, find a high-paying affiliate product within that niche, and create your first YouTube video. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get started. The most important thing is to take the first step. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips and strategies, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more valuable resources. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.